Dimples285 here. Welcome back, y'all. So we are going to be attempting a twist out. I haven't done a twist out on my hair in a very long time, but we're going to be using Moisture Miracles gel and cream. I'm hoping that this does the job. We're just going to see what happens. First of all, I parted my hair, so I think that's what you got to do first. And then we're going to take a little bit of gel, like a pea-sized amount, because I heard that you can do too much. So we don't want to do too much. So we're almost done. So again, the way I am doing this, grabbing a piece of hair. That don't seem big enough. I don't want my twist to be too small, but not too big either, you know? Oops. Clip this hair out of the way. Yeah, this seems decent. My ends are completely dry, so I'm just gonna wet those a little bit. The rest of my hair feels soft. It's just damp. Put a small amount of gel and cream, and it does really feel like a gel and a cream, or maybe I should say like a thick cream. It's very soft. Or my hair feels very soft. Feels moisturizing. And as I'm twisting, I am finger combing through my curls just to make sure that it's a sleek twist. So I'm literally taking my nail and combing through it as I'm going through, just to, again, get out any kinks. Make sure it's a sleek twist and hopefully alleviate any possibility of frizz by combing out any of those tangles with my thumb. I've already detangled in the shower. I detangled once I got out of the shower. So my hair is really not that tangled. Last twist, so I'm gonna let this air dry overnight and hopefully in the morning it'll be completely dry and I can unravel and we can see what my first twist out as a natural looks like. I'm gonna take my bun off. My hair is completely dry. Let's see how these twist outs I do. So I'm just gonna start by unraveling the twist. So my hair is completely taken down. So what I'm gonna do is try to separate the twist a little bit. Forgot one dead in the front. I'm gonna try to separate the twist a little bit just so that you can't necessarily tell that it was a twist out. And then I'm gonna fluff it out and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna take my pick and kind of pick it out a little bit, the roots. In places where I feel like, you know, it's needing a little bit of support.